Hi guys and girls on YouTube, welcome to my channel. Just a real quickie here. I think you'll find this interesting because I've wasted time doing this. So I've got this Cambridge Audio Topaz, what is it, AM1 amplifier. Doesn't look to be of any quality at all. A very basic, simple amplifier. And the customer complains he's got no sound. So I find that the minus 15 volt rail to the op amp's missing, and if you look down there, there was a Zener diode short circuit, 15 volt, put a new one in, 1k resistor there, put a new one of them in. There's the old parts on there. So you would have thought that was an easy, straightforward bread and butter job, but I screw it all back together. I just pop, because these sockets you can plug like a banana plug in, they got a hole in the end, so I just temporarily stick the wires in like that, just in the end of there, and I've got no sound. So I spent ages looking at it, then I realised the sound coming out of here, and if you follow this wire, all it does is go straight to the speaker socket. So I mean, a wire that thick, how can you have a wire open circuit? See, you can see in there where a banana plug would go. So I checked the wire, because you can measure the wire. I don't know how clear you can see on camera, but I put my meter on there and the wire is actually working. It turns out it's something wrong with this socket. These negatives aren't connecting through to these wires. Very, very strange. Right, so let me show you what the problem is. I don't know how much you can see there. Probably, let's have a look. We can just about see the meter. It doesn't matter anyway because I've set it to buzzer. But I've got a continuity across these wires. Now watch what happens when you tighten this up. And then if you loosen it, it goes off. So these sockets only work when they tighten down. Turn it that way to tighten, it works. Turn it the other way, it's got an open circuit. So you cannot plug a banana plug in these, or even a wire, when it's actually loose. You've got to tighten that right down before that middle pin actually becomes active. What a rubbish idea is that? Turn it that way, it's working. Turn it that way, it's open circuit. So what actually turned out to be quite a simple fault turned into quite a big fault. But that's the answer. Don't plug anything in them when they're like that. It's got to be screwed fully tight down before you can plug a banana in. Alright guys and girls on YouTube, I hope you found that interesting. Might even save you a bit of time. Many thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.